Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making shawarma, beef shawarma. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's simple. So let's get started. So for this, you're going to need some spice. I'm going to use some beef spice, garlic, and ginger powder. This spice I found in the kitchen, I don't even know the name. Some spice mix, hot pepper, and some salt. I'm just going to mix this around till everything is well incorporated. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So onto our beef, the spice mix go. I'm just going to make sure that every part of my meat is well mixed with the spice so that we can marinate this, so you get the feel of the spice in it, because we're not going to cook this beef, we're just going to marinate it. So after everything is well combined, I'm going to cover it with a cling and then marinate it in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2. And then guys, I forgot to add my lemon juice. So yes, this is me adding my lemon juice to my marinated beef. So yeah, this is going to rest for about an hour, like I said, in the refrigerator. For the pita bread, we are going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder, and a half tablespoon of salt. We're going to mix this around till everything is well incorporated, and into this I'm going to gradually add 1 cup of water. Yes, we're going to add it gradually because you do not want your dough to be liquidy, so we're going to add it gradually till everything is well combined. And then after everything is well combined, we are going to form a dough out of this sorry yes. So yeah, this is me. For you to know that you have a clean, or your dough is perfect, you have a clean bowl after forming your dough. So this is it. I'm going to let this dough sit for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, this is what we have. I'm going to roll out my dough in a well dusted place, divide it into 6 small doughs and then work it around till we have flat thing to work with. So yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for liking it, for commenting. You guys, I don't know what to say. It's almost a year since I started this YouTube channel, and then I'm almost at 1K subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. If you have not done so already, please do well to check out my channel. Please do well to subscribe. Please do well to like. Thank you. So yeah, after rolling it out, I'm just going to work it with my hand, like make sure that everything is well spread out, and then I'm just going to do the same with all the other dough that I formed. And then onto this, I'm going to brush it with melted butter, so that whilst we are cooking it in the pan, it doesn't stick to the pan. Even though I'm going to use a non-stick pan, it's just, you know, better to be well prepared, if I should say. So do not be like me, get a bigger pan guys, because my pan was so small. But I don't know, I couldn't change it. I didn't want to change it. I thought that I didn't have time, but that's what I did. Do not be like me, use a big pan. So yeah, I'm going to cook it on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then my pita bread will be done to be used. Yes, it's called pita bread or shawarma bread, whichever way. So my pita bread is perfectly cooked. I'm going to repeat the same procedure for all the other doughs. And yeah, so it's time for me to fry my marinated beef. So I'm just slightly add vegetable oil into my pan, and then I'm just going to cook my marinated beef on each side for about 5 minutes. Yeah, also it's well cooked, I should say, because I don't know, let's just say so it's well cooked. So mine took about 5 minutes on each side, and then after that my beef was perfectly cooked. It was time for me to take it out. Now let's prepare the sauce. This is me adding about 4 or 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to add hot pepper into this because we are making spicy mayo. If you don't want a lot of pepper, do well to reduce the pepper. And into this, I'm just going to add ketchup, and then our mayo will be ready to be used. So let's assemble, guys. So onto our pita bread, I'm going to spread my sauce into it. This is the spicy mayo ketchup sauce, and then I'm going to add the vegetables. For me, I use lettuce, carrots, and onion. But I mean, the list is endless. You can use cabbage, whatever vegetables that you have. So yeah, I'm just assembling my shawarma. I don't know. People also call this burrito. I don't know if it's the American way of saying shawarma, but I don't know. Yes, I'm just assembling it in no particular order, but my beef will be on top of my assembly. It's funny. So yeah, I think I overloaded my bread because, girl, I love food, but I was like, no, at this point this is too much. How am I going to roll this out? But I mean, I found a way to do that. My hands are clean. Nobody should come at me. And then I'm cooking for my family and I. There's no way I'm going to use dirty hands to do that. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure for all the other pita bread. And to seal the ends, I'm just going to warm it up in the pan for about, I mean, a minute or so that the ends can be sealed, and then it'll also warm everything up because it's better served warm. Yeah, so this is me heating up my shawarma. So yeah, after that, it's time for me to wrap it up because, I mean, it felt like I should do that. So I'm just wrapping up my shawarma, and it's done, guys. Our shawarma is done and ready to be enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please do well to check out my channel for more content, and please do well to subscribe my channel if you have not done so already. I have a lot of content on my channel, and I have a lot of content coming up. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough. You guys are the real MVPs. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Bye.